the two openers, Nissanka, of course, he's been in sublime form throughout 2025. The side, it's going to be high-intensity action, John. And also, what kind of score would you be looking at? 12 overs.
Well, they've been inserted. Little brush of that outside edge, carrying comfortably to the keeper.
And off the mark, lesser. Wet provided, nicely played. Oh, it's gone through. That's what I'm talking about. The outfield is going to... Oh, inside edge. He'll take that. He'll go to the boundary. Didn't get that. Oh, he's picked that up. It was Yorker-led. Chance here for Pakistan. Fahim Ashraf takes it.
Good piece after slipping in the very first.
High in the air. Little go just over that fielder at mid-on. And in fact, all the way. Just looked like... Another slow one, but he gets it through. Another boundary here. Kamal Bishara. He's... Yeah, there's a sound, is it? Yeah, a delayed decision, but the... Oh, nicely done. You've got to watch the shot in the replay again. How he's picked it up. He's whacked it in front of square. Wow. Oh, is he going? Where is he going? Was he looking at his spot? He's picked that up. There's a sound for catch. It'll be way far away from the square leg fielder. One bounce into the fence.
Going as yet. Goes over the top. Is it safe? I think it is. One bounce for 4. That's the game plan. And this time through the offside. More runs here. Back-to-back boundaries. Dhananjay decision. So more spin. Shadab. Nicely played. That's the 50. Good running. Direct hits fine. He's said. Goes high. Should be taken at long off, I think. Yes. Quite an easy chance. A soft dismissal.
Wasn't gathered properly by the wicketkeeper on his debut. And he has leaked a boundary.
That's high. Mid-wicket gets underneath it. Oh, puts it down. It's gone for 4. Over. Mendes gets a life. Goes again. He gets it. He gets it for 6. Down the ground. That should be 4. Kusal Mendes is finding his timing. High. Hit well. Hit for 6. That is enough. Lovely shot. 6 more. 100. Slide on. This time, deep extra cover comes in. And they hang on. So Mendes
Wide of the crease. He really had to reach for it. So...
Fahim Ashraf now goes down to long on. Chance and he's taken a wicket on his very first ball. Nawaz takes the catch. Sri Lanka goes.
Well, they're striking at vital times. Pakistan and Sri Lanka was the set batter. 21 of 30.
Straight away off the mark with the boundary. Janet Lianage. Once again, very wide outside off. Has it cleared? Yes, it has. And again, this time flatter. This time flatter. What? Oh, wow. That is deliberate. I'd like to believe that is deliberate. No. Wasim Jr. gets hit over extra cover. First ball of the over. And it's oh, he's hit that nicely, firmly, towards point. Another...
98, his best. Mahesh Deekshan is going to open the ball. Replacing Knight. That's 4. Short. He waited for it. Not quicker, that one. Hit well. In front of square. 1 bounce for 4. Farhan with the required rate above 14. You got to go
to take your chances. He hits it really well.
It's back onto the stumps. Wonderful sight. Breakthrough for Sri Lanka. 1 for 9. Pakistan 9 for 1.
At 3, Shahibzada Farhan's gone.
Dream start for a batter. Your first delivery, you just lean on it a little bit, open the face up a touch. 4 more.
You give the batter pace, it looks like it's easier to score runs. Deep mid-wicket. He'll probably try and angle it in at those pads. 3.4 overs the power play.
Power play needs to be where they make a dent.
Dasun Shanak. Shahibzada Farhan.
Look at the dismissal, trying to carve it through the offside, and that was the only ball of any success in this over. I mean, 3 4s and a 6.
It plugs in the outfield. Lot of work for Lianagay to do, and hence 3 runs. So 22 off the second. Pakistan 27 for 1. Ishan Malinga got a wicket but went for 22. Dikshan is going to bowl a second. Beginning with school cricket and progressing through district, provincial and national levels. The program ensures that schools
Shaping in.
That's what you need to do. Give the opposition something to think of. And when the crowd goes quiet, you know you're succeeding as an opposition or a visiting team.
He's advancing, he's sweeping, he's playing all the shots here. He's going to offer up an opportunity here, and Sri Lanka have got to be sharp enough to take that catch or get that run out or something special, because you're going to need to dislodge him quite quickly here because he's looking so dangerous.
Some have a bit more at the non-strikers end. Again, no change to the field. Even if there was, it's of no use. We're seeing some big sixes.
Wow, that's a huge stroke. He's marching on here. His partnership 36 of 10, because this is a big problem now.
People were of the opinion that he's not suited for T20 format. But he's turning it on, isn't he? A blistering knock.
Oh, edge and 4. Well, this is what pace can do. Very useful. The 50 is up.
Batsman's friend too. Used the pace on that occasion quite nicely, Pakistani captain. Off stump created a bit of room for himself to help the ball on its way. This is good batting.
I think it's outstanding. It is outstanding. 51 partnership of just 4.
Pakistani captain, and he's doing it nicely. Oh, hit the ball straight to the fielder. That was the wicket Sri Lankan team was looking for. And he's been removed for 40.
Bowler, he bowls generally immediately after the power plays. Let's see. Not in control, not in control. Taken in the deep. Ishan Malinga, the catcher. Wicket number 3. These are important wickets for Sri Lanka.
For either side. And straight away he has obliged the cap. Wasn't a great delivery, but lack of pace. It did for him. Wasn't able to time the ball properly. Sam Ayub hit the ball straight to the fielder, and it's the second time. His hold on to the catch came his way.
Bowls 0.5. Oh, he drags it. And taken in the deep. Hazaranga strikes again. Tatum Nissanka, the catcher. Is Pakistan losing the plot here?
Game brings a lot of pressure on the batsman. His arms wasn't able to hit the ball from the middle of the bat, but how Hasaranga. He has come to the fore for his side and the captain.
Very full on that occasion. Very full. Meant to be hit. And he opened up that offside zone. Oh, he's got hold of that. You can tell he's got hold of that. Has gone the distance. They needed that. 17 coming off it. 100 comes up for Pakistan as well. 105 for 4. He's picked that up. Have a look at that for a finish from the young man. Wajanafe. How good was that? They might have a second look, but that is brilliant. Dhananjay De Silva there. Wow, how did he manage to slap it back into the game?
Yes. Athleticism. Everyone was heart in mouth. Is it going for a 6? Is it going to be caught? Backpedaling. Everyone watching. One hand, he got it and he knocked it back. That is absolutely brilliant.
Mid off, underneath, accepts it. Wajanafe is brilliant in
That room to score his runs. Pushed it away from off stump. Hence, there was no timing. Easy catch offered by the bowler, but he created his own pace. Flat batted it.
He had to bowl it straight after the wide, the previous ball. Great again, another fielder underneath it. It's another wicket. 4 for Hasaranga. This is my home, my ground, says Hasaranga.
And he's owning the territory. Hasaranga to remove 2 batters. And the pendulum has moved.
It'll skid away, so 15 off that. 10 bowled, 131 for Anga. Picking up 2 wickets in that over, just brought the game back, but a couple of blows. Now Pakistan back in it. This is a match series. Ball! Patirana does the job, that's the slower one. He's such a good asset in the death overs.
Has gained. So has rolled his finger. Great improvisation. Realize what the bowler is really. To top the ball over the head of the umpire for a 6. They haven't given up. Pakistan is.
Look how deep in the crease he is. He went across so he can get closer to Patirana's delivery. Lanka. Oh, dot ball. Not quite. Oh, it got him. Mendes has thrown the